Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the console and hardware so nothing interrupts audio routing. First, confirm you have the game DAC, optical or USB cable, and power adapter. This ensures full functionality. With the Ps5 off, connect the game DAC to the console using the USB cable. Plug the DAC into power if it requires external power. Once connected, leave HDMI where it is if using optical. Otherwise, plan HDMI pass-through. These steps create the signal path so you can configure audio on the Ps5 next. Now you configure the Ps5 to use the game DAC as both input and output. Go to Settings, then Sound, and select the game DAC as the input device. This ensures your mic routes correctly. Next, set the output device to USB headset or optical depending on your connection, and match the sample rate to the DAC. 48 kHz is common to avoid resampling artifacts. Once done, choose Linear PCM for best compatibility with game DAC processing, and enable 3D audio if you want spatial sound during gameplay. Finish by calibrating the game DAC and headset so levels and profiles are correct. Use the DAC menu to pick an EQ, set mic gain, adjust sidetone, and balance chat versus game audio. This refines clarity and comfort. Test audio in a game or party chat and make small adjustments until voice and game levels are natural. If you encounter issues, check cable seating, confirm Ps5 audio output matches your connection, update DAC firmware, and try a different USB port. These quick checks solve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.